What's up, guys? Watt Game here. Today, I'm gonna try and get to the top of that hill with the Scrawler. Oh, he scared the deer away. Oh. Maybe I can come out this from a different angle. Alright, so what about there? Oh, I see. There's this log. Not log. There's this piece of wood. And maybe I should get that piece of metal out of the way, too. Oh, yeah. That's better. Oh, okay. There we go. We're making some pretty good progress. If this had like a controllable differential, that would be pretty cool. At least the always right didn't go out again. I think that's the closest we're gonna get. I wonder if I left a burnout mark on the rock. But just in case. Would it even be possible? But we have another rock climb. And alright, how about this? Get rid of all of the sticks, and then try climbing this. Ow. I mean, it's not that high quality of an RC crawler, but I mean, it's pretty decent for $65. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button. And if you want to see more of this crawler, make sure to subscribe as well. See ya.